Hello everyone and welcome to our nightly Mountain Lake Journal special report on the coronavirus outbreak. I'm Tom Halleck. Once again, we are coming to you before the PBS NewsHour with the latest on the coronavirus crisis. As of today, there is now a third confirmed case in northern New York, 2 in Clinton County and 1 in Essex. Here is what we know about the new case in Clinton County. The Clinton County Health Department learned of the case last night and began identifying and reaching out to people who may have had close contact with the infected individual. The health department says this case is not connected to the first identified case. Health officials in Essex County held a news conference on Wednesday to talk about how they are responding to the first confirmed case of COVID-19 there. The woman tested positive for the coronavirus after being seen at Adirondack Health Medical Center in Saranac Lake. She had no prior contact or travel that health officials say would help explain how she contracted the virus. The patient went to the emergency room at the hospital in Saranac Lake last Friday, was sent home to North Elba, where she lives, to self-quarantine. Then the test results came back Tuesday and confirmed she has COVID-19.
It was an outpatient. They were seen in our emergency department. We had all the appropriate protective gear for all the staff that interacted with that individual. That individual is under the Department of Health's guidelines and is quarantined at home while they recover.
The patient has had only mild symptoms and is expected to recover.
To my knowledge, the person did not have any previous risk factors. They happened to contract COVID-19. They did not travel. They were not travelers out of this country. In reference to the patient and that discharge, it worked perfectly. That person was tested. They were put on precautionary quarantine, which took them out of the public. They were at home when they became positive. They got sick while they were home. They went back in and the test came back positive. It worked as well as it perfectly could have. The phone call was made, we quarantined them immediately, and when the test came back, they were where they needed to be. They've never left their home, and it is my understanding the patient is improving.
Today, the U.S. and Canada are moving ahead with new restrictions on the northern border that will close it to most non-essential travelers. However, trade will not be affected. Truckers will be allowed to continue to cross the border.